Hello and welcome to my new guitar nerdery video. Today I got an amazing lick for you, a great exercise where you can train that left hand legato rolling movement and get your fingers closer to the fretboard and gain speed. The lick consists only of one short idea of 9 notes, and when mirrored and glued together, it can be extended endlessly. I'm gonna show you the lick in the key of G Aeolian, and I'm gonna use a 3-note per string pattern. Here's the idea. I start on the G in the 3rd fret on the low E string. Picking wise, the idea is every time when you start on a new string, the first note is gonna be picked. I guess until now the lick looks somewhat silly, but let's move it across the strings and you will get the point. The last 3 notes of that lick were in the up direction, and fluently I can go to the next string, and from there I play the same lick. And they're perfectly glued together. I can do that with the next string, the next one, and the next one. Now I start from the highest note of my 3-note per string pattern and mirror that lick completely. And we can move it downwards across the strings. Next 2 strings. The next 2. And the last 2. Now, to combine the upwards direction with the downwards direction, I add at the end of the last lick 2 more notes. Then down, I add again 2 notes to get to the starting point. This was the last fragment here. And I add 2 notes to get fluently to the highest note. And this note, the last note, is the starting point of the downwards movement. Again, this was the last fragment, and I add these 2 notes to get to the starting point. Here's the whole thing. You see, a pretty cool lick and a great exercise for the stamina of your left hand. And if you want to play it that fast as I did in the end, all movements have to be efficient. You have to choose the shortest way possible. When you're going to dig deep into that lick, you will get your fingers automatically closer to the fretboard. This was it for today. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. And I'm looking forward to see you next time.